This time I'll show you how to use this LV08. This product uses a lot of high-quality materials. On the front is a small screen and the radiator air intake. The bottom has some detailed product information. At the back are the air outlet and the power port. This is the power cable for the device. It will also be included in the box when you purchase it. Before use, connect the power cable to the device's power port. When plugging it in, make sure it's firmly inserted, just like this, and then you can power on the device. Just place it flat on the table like this. Then connect the power cable to power it on. Then the device will power on automatically. For first-time use, the screen will display Connect to Network. Here we need to connect to the second network using a phone or computer. I'll use my phone to connect to this network for the demo first. Tap on the network emitted by the device. Once connected successfully, the device's back-end interface will pop up automatically. Then tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap here to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Enter your network name and password here. After entering, click this button to save. After saving, you still need to restart the device. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then tap here to restart the device. The device will restart automatically, and then it will connect to your network on its own when it powers on. Then the device's display will show the back-end address of this device. It will also display some other information. Then we need to enter the address it displays into the browser. Once entered, you'll see the back-end interface. You can view all the information and running status of the device in the back-end. You can also adjust the device settings. You can see information such as the device's voltage and power here. You can see your other devices here. You can also add and manage your other devices here. You can also set up connections to other networks here. After connecting, click here to save and then restart. This is where you configure your mining pool and wallet address. You need to enter your own mining pool address and wallet address. Then click Save and restart the device for the settings to take effect. This is the device log, where you can check part of the device information, hardware status, and working status. Now you've learned how to use and configure the LV08.